Okay, so we have been done dun sa topics natin kanina about the refreshers ng mga properties of air. Now, we are about to solve yung mga sample problems na meron tayo dito in order for you to grasp the complete idea na napapaloob dun sa ating uh, topic. So, this is for number 1. The problem is, we assume that a certain sample of air has a temperature of 38 degrees Celsius and the partial pressure of that vapor exerted to the air is 0.00 or 3,003.63 MPa. Find the dew point temperature of the air. So, sir, di ba ang dew point temperature of the air, makukuha lang natin yan kapag ang binigay dyan, yung mismong vapor pressure. Tama? Di ba? Naituro kanina that PV, okay, the partial vapor pressure is equal to the saturation pressure of that dew point. Kailangan nga natin mahanap to. Using your steam table, okay, look at your steam tables. Okay? Kailangan natin ng steam table dito. Dapat meron kayo. Now, as we can see, using yung steam table natin, okay, tignan nyo yung value dyan. At your steam table, may makikita ka sa saturations, meron ang pressure and temperature, magkatabihan yan. Now, itong value na binigay sa iyo dito is unconventionally not included. Ibig sabihin, you have to use your calculators for interpolation of values. And for the interpolation of values, ang present value na nandyan, as you can see sa saturation pressures, meron kang 0.0032 MPa and meron kang kasunod nun is 0.0034 MPa na. Nasa gitna niya between yung value na ibinigay sa'yo dito, which is 0.123363 MPa. And itong dalawang given na values, meron silang corresponding saturation temperatures. And yung saturation temperatures na nakalagay dyan is 25.16 degrees Celsius. Ito, hinahanap natin T-sat ng dew point. Tapos, yung isa is 26.19 degree Celsius. All we have to do, magmumulo pa ba tayo? No. Okay? Hindi na kailangan magmulo. Kasi ituturo ko na sa inyo that in order for it to interpolate the values, linear lang naman ang mga values niyan. So, you have to use your calculator. Simply press mode 3 and 2. Okay? And then input the values that are present there. 0.0032. Yung nasa baba, 0.0034. And then the corresponding for X, that is P. For Y, that is T. 25.16. And then the other is 26.19. Okay, we press AC and then shift 155. Hanapin niyo yung parang saranggola or the Y-hat. And then input the value na meron ka doon. Yung hinahanapan mo ng corresponding dew point temperature, which is 0.123363. Then you will arrive with the value of your dew point. Therefore, the dew point temperature is equal to approximately 26 degrees Celsius. Okay? Ganun lang po kadali gumawa ng mga values kapag meron tayong steam tables. You may look it up. Next time, magdadala ako ng maglalagay ako dito ng steam table sa gilid. Next one. Okay. Since we're talking about partial pressures of water vapor, might as well tell you the gas constant for vapor. Yung R ng vapor. And I have here, if I'm not mistaken, meron ako na isulat ko yun sa aking notes. Wait lang natin. Yan. For vapor, yung R ng vapor, that is equal to 0.4615 kilojoule per kilogram degree Kelvin. Now, what is the molecular weight ng vapor? Lagi itong tinatanong. The molecular weight of vapor, if not given, consider it as 18. How about the molecular weight of air? Approximately that is equal to 29 or 28. Somewhere between them. Okay? Somewhere between them. And for useful conversion of units, 1 pound is equal to 7,000 grains. Another one, pag di mo alam, to approximate, you have 907 kilograms in every 2,000 pounds. Another conversion. Okay? Ano pa ba? I think wala na ako may share dahil nandyan na. Okay? Ito na yan. Okay? And kapag hindi given, the density of air is always equal to, at standard temperature and pressure, 1.2 kilogram per cubic meter. Yan. Okay? So let us go to the sample. An air sample at 28 degrees, hindi sinabi kung dry bulb or wet bulb. So as is, that is dry bulb, kung hindi sinasabi sa problem, has a dew point of 18 degrees Celsius. Find the partial pressure exerted by the water vapor in the air. Hinahanap na naman natin si partial pressure exerted. Okay. As we can see, i-illustrate natin. Di ba kinikwento ko sa inyo that meron tayong botelya dyan. Ito, bottle. Kung ari bottle yan. Iinom ka ng beer. Di ba? Yan. Drawing natin. Ito yung beer mo. Tapos nakaganon. Yan, drawing nakaganon. Palagay, stallion. O, ba't natatawa kayo? May kabayo dyan. Yung kabayo. O, diba? Iinom ka. So, tatamaan to. Ito, ice cold. Tatamaan niya ng hangin. Okay? This is dry air. Okay? Tinamaan ng dry air. O, namawis-mawis siya. Namawis-mawis yung bote mo. Kasi nga, yung bote mo, tsaka yung air, dry air mo, nagkaroon in contact, nagkaroon ka ng heat exchange. Therefore, kapag nagkaroon ng heat exchange dyan, temperature difference, magkakaroon ka ng condensates. Kaya nga nagpapawis yung iyong stallion. Okay, ganun po yung kwento nun. Isipin mo that your air is composed of the dry air and water vapor. Ano ibig sabihin? Plus the water vapor. Water vapor. Ayan. Yan parati yung kanyang idea dyan. Okay? Now, uulitin ko kapag yung dry air mo tumama dito sa cold body, okay, magkakaroon siya ng iihiyan magpapawis. And this is the condensate. Doon mo masasabi na ang dry air mo pala, hindi lang basta dry. Kasi meron siyang moisture na pag tumama sa isang colder body, magko-condensate. Ito na yun, yung moisture na yun. That is the moisture contained in the air. Okay? Now, going back to the problem, in order for it to find the partial pressure exerted by water vapor, kunin mo ito. Yung pressure dun sa dry bulb mo, saturation, at yung pressure dito sa iyong dew point, saturation. Ang hinahanap is the partial pressure exerted by the water vapor. Oh, ano ba yung makukuha mo dito sa dew point? Di ba PB is equal to P sat at dP. Oh. And then, by steam tables, ang makukuha mo dyan is 0.0020640 MPa, megapascals. Okay? Base dito sa, hanapin mo, ayan o, 18 degrees dew point. Hinahanap natin is the water vapor, ha? Yung sa dry bulb ba, kailangan mo pang punan? Hindi na. Alam mo kung bakit? Alam mo kung bakit? Ang hinahanap lang naman dito is the partial pressure of water vapor. Pag sinabing partial pressure of air, kukunin mo from PA, PT, minus PV. Ang kinukuha lang naman natin is PV. So, as is, nakuha na natin yung value ng pressure ng water vapor. Okay? Ganun po kasimple yun kapag gamit yung ating steam tables. No other formula needed. Just look it up correctly. How about number 3, sample number 3? This is absolute humidity. Okay? What is absolute humidity? Absolute humidity is simply defined as the mass of water vapor. So, siya yung mass of water vapor per unit volume of air. May napansin ba kayo? Mass over volume, di density yan. That is absolute humidity. So, density is absolute humidity. Which simply means that absolute humidity, mali tayo spelling. That it simply means yung absolute humidity is the inverse ng ng iyong specific volume of air. Oh, di ba? Yan yun. Okay? We note that the absolute humidity of an air sample or your vapor is also the reciprocal of the specific volume. That is derivable or can be gathered or can be solved using the ideal gas law. Oh. So, in this problem, we are ought to find what is the absolute humidity of air. Okay, whose dew point is 24 degrees. Meron kang dew point na 24 degrees. Meron kang gas constant na binigay for low pressure water. Okay? And we can use yung ating PVMRT equation. Okay. We just first have to use yung ating steam table in order for us to find the pressure at the temperature given. So, the temperature given is the dew point. So, 24 degrees. 24 degrees Celsius. Now, ano po yung makukuha natin ditong value? Okay? Specific volume. What is the specific volume na meron doon? Sige nga. Steam tables muna tayo. Hanapin nyo sa steam tables yan 24 degrees Celsius. Makikita nyo yung value at VG. Vapor yan eh. VG ang hinahanap natin. Okay, anong value nun? That is 45,883 times 10 to the negative 3 cubic meter per kilogram vapor. Ito na yung value. But using yung ating ideal gas equation by ideal gas, PV is equal to MRT. Specific naman, okay? Hindi pa natin nakukuha Ito muna, by ideal gas. Mamaya ako nakunin to So, by ideal gas, ang inahanap natin is yung specific humidity which is MV. M over B. So, that is parata. P over R. T. Meron ba tayong pressure? Yes, we can get the pressure. Ano ito? PV yan eh. This is the pressure saturated at the dew point. Oh, ano ba yung saturation pressure dyan at the dew point? Yung nakita ko dyan, that is 0.002985 ano to, MPa divided by R. Binigay naman yung R, 0.461 kilojoule per kilogram degree Kelvin. Yung temperature na given dyan, 24, gawin mong absolute, plus 273 degree Kelvin. So, may hahanapin pa ba tayo? We just have to further simplify this. So, 0.002985. Kailangan dito naka-KPa. Multiply na lang natin ng 1,000 Newton per kilonewton per meter squared. Divided by 0.461 kilonewton meter to yung kilojoule eh. Divide by kilogram degree Kelvin. 24 plus 273, I think that is 297, kung di ako nagkakamali. 297 degree Kelvin. We cancel all the same units. Kilonewton, kilonewton. Dapat dyan na kilogram per cubic meter. Kelvin, Kelvin. Meter, meter squared, kilogram. Iakit natin sa taas. Okay. We will now arrive with the absolute humidity. So, the absolute humidity is 1,000. Mode 1. 1,000 times 0.002985 0.461 times 297. The answer is, yan ang ating absolute humidity. 0.021802 kilogram vapor ang pinag-uusapan natin, per cubic meter. Okay. Tignan naman natin ang sabi kasi, the absolute humidity is the reciprocal nito. Okay. Kung yan yun, check natin yung nasa taas. 1 over VG. 1 over 45,883 times 10 to the negative 3 meter cube per kilogram vapor. Check natin kung i-equal siya. So, 1 over 45883 times 10 to the negative 3. The answer is, yun, sakto rin. The same lang. Okay? Almost the same. Equal to 0.02179. Okay? Kilogram vapor per meter cube. Okay? That is for problem number 3. Napaka-basic lang po. Problem number 4. A quantity of air has a dew point of 12 degrees Celsius and a dry bulb of 28 degrees. Find the RH of air. Okay. Let us first use yung ating psychrometric chart. Given si dew point and si dry bulb. Okay. Let us resort dun sa ating app. Okay. Click natin to. Binigay niya is dew point and then dry bulb. Yan. So, ang dew point na binigay niya is 12. Si dry bulb is 28. Now, we can find yung parameters na kailangan natin. Ano bang hinahanap natin, sir? O yun, na-plot niya. We are asked to find yung, ano ba hinahanap natin dyan? The relative humidity. So, the relative humidity is 37.084. Tignan natin kung accurate ba yung app natin. Lagay natin dito. By application, RH is equal to 37.084%. Paano natin solve? Diba, by formula, RH is equal to PV divided by pressure at the dry bulb. Saturated to. Ito galing ng dew point. Ito galing ng dry bulb. Now, yung saturation pressures nila, tingnan mo, by tables, steam tables, that is 0.0014022 MPa by reading. Ito naman, 0.003782 MPa by reading. And then we can now solve for RH. So RH is equal to 0.001402 divided by 0.003782 times 100. Tingnan natin kung mag-equal siya dito. Yan. So, the value is 0.001402 divided by 0.003782. Now, the value will be, inabahan ako na. Ayun. 37.075. So, almost accurate. 37.08. Okay. The same lang. Okay? Nung up. Okay? So, the application is correct. How about the last one? Wala na pala. Natapos na ang ating solving. Yun lang ang, ganun lang po kadali yung ating topics for today. Okay? And I hope, dun sa mga ibibigay yung activity, mas marami pa kayong matutunan. Okay? I think that will be all. So, wait na lang kayo ma-post yung activity natin. Okay? Bye-bye.